Would you eat an insect that can sell for over $100 a pound? In southern Mexico, there's a rare delicacy that appears for only a few days each year. They're called chicatanas. These giant flying ants emerge during the first rains of the season and are considered one of the most prized traditional foods in Oaxaca. But these aren't ordinary ants. Chicatanas are the future queens of leafcutter ant colonies. For most of the year, they remain hidden underground. Then, when the rainy season begins, thousands of them take flight in one of nature's most spectacular events. For local communities, this is the moment they've been waiting for. Before sunrise, families head out to collect them. The harvest window is incredibly short, making chicatanas both rare and valuable. Their history goes back hundreds of years. Long before modern Mexico existed, indigenous civilizations were already eating chicatanas and incorporating them into traditional recipes that have survived for generations. Today, they remain one of the country's most fascinating seasonal foods. So what do they taste like? People often describe their flavor as rich, smoky, nutty, and slightly earthy, something completely different from anything most visitors have ever tried. Preparing them is a process. The wings, legs, and heads are removed, leaving the flavorful body behind. They are then roasted over heat to enhance their unique taste. The most famous way to enjoy them is in a traditional chicatana salsa. The roasted ants are ground together with chili peppers, tomatoes, and onions to create a dark, aromatic sauce that pairs perfectly with fresh tortillas, meats, and tamales. Some people also eat them roasted on their own or served in tacos. And surprisingly, chicatanas are not only known for their flavor. They contain protein, vitamins A and E, low levels of fat, and no cholesterol. But perhaps what makes them truly special is their cultural significance. For many communities in Oaxaca, the arrival of chicatanas is more than a food tradition. It marks the beginning of the rainy season and connects people to centuries of history, knowledge, and identity. These insects may seem unusual at first, but in Oaxaca, they're considered a seasonal treasure, a rare flavor, a living tradition, and one of the most extraordinary foods you'll find anywhere in the world. Would you try them?